Hello viewers, today I'll show you how to make another lost Indian heritage recipe, the Countree Koptan Chicken. This mild curry was made using a young fowl or chotto Murgi by the Khansamas to suit the palate of their Gora Sahebs. For this recipe, I'll be using 2 small hens or chotto Murgi. These are organic poussins which have been deskinned. I have tied the legs of the birds so that they retain their shape. Pour some mustard oil in a cooking pot. Then put the chickens in and brown them on all sides. This will take a couple of minutes. Use a pair of tongs to turn them over. And when they have lightly browned, take them out. I will now add a tej patta, a dry red chili, 3 green cardamoms, 3 cloves and a cinnamon stick to the same oil and stir them for half a minute. And then add 1 medium chopped red onion to the pot and fry it for 2 to 3 minutes. Keep stirring the pot and then add 1 tablespoon each of ginger and garlic paste along with 2 chopped green chilies into the pot. Fry everything together for a minute. Then add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and half teaspoon of red chili powder into the pot and stir them in. Now I will add 2 tablespoons of tamarind puri or imlay paste into the pot and mix it in. Now it's time to put the small hens or chotto murgis back into the pot and fry them in the imli masala paste for a few minutes, turning them over from time to time so that the masala paste gets on all sides of the birds. Then add a bit of water to deglaze the pan if the masala is drying out and continue to fry the chickens. Scoop the masalas on top of the chickens. And then add enough water to cook the chickens. You can control the amount of gravy by controlling the amount of water. Add salt according to your taste. Bring the pot to a boil. Then cover and cook on medium flame for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, take the lid off and turn the chickens over and cover and cook for another 15 to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, turn the chickens over again and you can see it has nicely browned on the other side as well, and our beautifully simple Countree Koptan chicken is ready. Let's plate up our Countree Koptan chicken. Pour the gravy around the chicken. Garnish with some freshly chopped coriander leaves and serve with rice, chapati or bread. Countree Koptan chicken was a very popular recipe during the colonial times and was served up in the Daak Bunglows, circuit houses and railway restrooms. In this recipe, I have tried to recreate a lost Indian heritage recipe based on a very sketchy description of the curry in a recipe book. Watch more such lost Indian heritage recipes by clicking on the end screens. Enjoy!